All right, today we're going to set up these blinds, and these blinds are to darken the actual sun because we're going to set these up in our actually kitchen where the sun is super bright. And right now we're going almost 100 degrees on some of the days. So we're going to set these up. These are blind outs, and the way it works, you set these up. There's 3 of them, all right? And very simple. They have a retractable, if you guys can see, spring action. So what you got to do is make sure you do, there's 3 of them, all right? You're gonna screw these up on 3 different sections. It'll be one in the end, one in the front, and line them up correctly. Once you line them up, you're gonna have to fold them in there, and that's how they lock in. Now to push it back out, you're gonna do the same thing and back up, all right? So just remember that. These are the spring ones. You need to do 3 of them. Line them up so they go all lock in, all right? You need to line them up. So we're gonna set 3 of them up and see how they work. Blinds going up. Facing front first. Push them in. There it goes. Locked in place. That's simple. All right, just clip something so I can reach. I'm a little tall guy, so it's easier for me. So right now we're closing it, completely closed. And then if you want to bring it all the way up, you can do that. So easy. All right, this is in my kitchen. It's gonna go in my kitchen here. And this is where we have it right now. It took, like I said, it took me like an hour to remove the other one and put this one on. But we're gonna take a look at it in the daytime and see how it works. All right, so this is the actual final product in here. I'm going to turn off the lights in here so you guys can see how bright this is right now. This is the daylight right now. We're in daylight. And the beautiful thing about this is that I put a ribbon on it because I really like it. So in case I have to really reach out there in the top for my wife. So this is a blackout, completely blackout, if you guys can see. So you're only going to see some of the lining, which is perfect. I got the right measurements. Remember, when you're, and look how easy it is to actually put up. Remember, when you're ordering this, you got to measure the top. Never measure the middle. You have to measure the top because it's not always even, all right? So just be aware that you have to measure the top, all right, in order to get this installed. It took me about probably an hour just to set this up because I had to remove the old one and set up the new one. So if you guys are looking for great blinds just like this, simple, easy, matching my kitchen color, which is brown I got, perfect for any kind of environment, perfect for any kind of window that you need. Just make sure you put the right sizes and the measurements and the long and the width, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video.